The heads of organizations, workshop participants, ladies and gentlemen, Bulvanaka, and a very good morning to all of you. I'm indeed honored to be here this morning to open the first jointly organized workshop by the International Partnership Program, IPP, the Common Sensing Project, and the Government of Fiji through the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources. Firstly, a big Bulvanaka and warm greetings to our partners who have come from as far as the UK and Switzerland, and also the participants who have traveled from around the country. So Bulvanaka to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, it was during the Ministry's attendance at the 7th session of the UN Global Geospatial Information Management seminar at New York in August 2017 that the approach was actually made. And a submission was forwarded to the International Partnership Program, a Common Sensing Project, and the rest is actually history. And I'd like to express on behalf of the Fijian government our gratitude to the UK government for accepting our humble request. IPP Common Sensing Project is implemented by a consortium of international partners led by the United Nations Institute for Training and Research, known as UNITA, the Operational Satellite Applications Program, UNISAT, the Satellite Applications Catapult, the Commonwealth Secretariat, Radiant Earth, Sensonomic, DVEX and UK Meteorological Office, and lastly the University of Portsmouth. The project, ladies and gentlemen, is funded through the UK Space Agency and the International Partnership Program, and aims to build climate resilience in Fiji by improving access to climate financing and enhancing food security and developing evidence-based disaster risk reduction strategies, which in turn will contribute to the sustainable development of our nation. Through this Common Sensing project, the international partnership seeks to maximize the practical impact on the lives of all the Fijian people, and by this partnership, the use of space solutions to solve our specific development challenges, and in doing so, to increase our capacity. This project, ladies and gentlemen, will also help us find solutions and enhance our decision-making through the use of satellite and remote sensing technology. The project will span for the next 2.5 years, ending the 31st of December 2020. And this particular project commenced with the inception phase in January 2018, with the visitation of the partners, a larger group, to our shores in February and March. They visited various government and non-government organizations for landscape analysis and definition of our specific requirements. I understand that the main phase of this project will commence on the 1st of July and will focus on a couple of things, namely the provision of climate finance support and advice, capacity building and knowledge exchange, and development of end-to-end service delivery tools for improved climate action, and also for knowledge transfer customized to Fiji's requirements. Ladies and gentlemen, today we have the Common Sensing Project team to present their findings from February, March, from the inception mission, and their proposed approach to address some of our needs. The project team will be working closely also with the Ministry of Economy through their Climate Change Office, the Ministry of Agriculture, National Disaster Management Office, the Fiji Met Office, and lastly the Ministry of Lands for technical use and for coordination. We'll be meeting organizations in the coming days to ensure that they have a better understanding on the specific areas that they'll be engaged in, how to best work in a partnership going forward. Ladies and gentlemen, we dream for a smarter, more resilient Fiji, and I challenge the ministries that are actually responsible to work together to actually make this dream into a reality. So with those few words, I wish you well in your discussions today, in your deliberations, and I encourage you all to actively participate and contribute towards a progressive, common sensing project partnership. Thank you very much.